applied and was accepted as a student nurse at the hospital at Nadire. The life of a student nurse is not an easy one. There were long hours of study. The microscope opened a whole new world of understanding. I could see for myself the simple relationship between the mosquito and malaria. I learned how to mix and inject chemicals which would cure sickness. Then there was the strict technical discipline as I learned to assist the dentist and the doctor. All my studies led toward a single satisfying purpose: to relieve suffering. After 4 years, I put on the white uniform and held in my hand the piece of paper which gave official recognition to my dreams. I was at last a qualified nurse.